Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Oh, okay.
Wow, they showed. I didn't think they were really here, but they're really
Well, you know, Jerry and I wanted to sing ourselves.
No, I can't sing.
Okay.
I can't sing. Marcus, you can sing.
3, 2, 1, go.
I got sunshine.
Whoa!
On a cloudy day.
I'll dance.
When it's cold outside, I got the month of May.
We had questions? No more questions.
Forget about that.
It's all singing and dancing at this point.
That's what we want.
No, but really, we have to get to the questions, though.
Okay.
As a Bay Area resident, I was born and raised in Eastside San Jose, so any of my South Side folks say hey. That video gave me chills, I will say that. So to both of you, what was it like being leaders on great teams and being a part of history?
Jerry.
Well, guys, it was unbelievable because I got a chance to play for probably the greatest owner, Eddie DeBarlo. And to have you guys as true fans, you know, that motivated me to go out and play my best football. So we know about the 49er tradition. We know about it. So I'm ready, I'm excited about this year, and I think we have a great opportunity.
For you?
Well, when I look back, I look at some of the greatest teammates that one could ever have. A lot of guys, unfortunately, have passed on, but when I look at the legacy of greatness that I was able to rub shoulders with, that really catapulted me into another stratosphere as far as confidence and things like that. I got Upshaw, I got a chance to play with Alzado and Ted Hendricks, all these great names, Jim Plunkett who's coming up. I mean, I was a really lucky kid, you know what I mean?
And also, guys, I got to give this guy recognition. Dwight Clark.
Dwight Clark.
Dwight did so much for me because when I first came into the league, I was like this little rookie. And Dwight took me under his wings, and this guy taught me how to run that out route. And after that, everything just took off.
There's a rumor that he's here too. I don't know. I don't know if it's confirmed. There's a rumor.
We will see. Yeah. Well, Marcus, you dominated Super Bowl 18, 191 rushing yards, 2 touchdowns, as the Raiders just destroyed the Redskins, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Did you think that?
That happened. That did happen.
That's what we wanted.
That did. You described it well.
Did you ever imagine having a career like that?
Yes.
Dreamed of it, I'm sure.
No, listen here, and Jerry, come on, we got to be candid, guys, because as a kid, this is what you think about. And then, you know, when all of a sudden you see your dream take shape and form, and you start flexing muscles in your dream and everything, and become reality on the field. The first thing I thought about afterwards, guys, that meant the world to me was that my parents were being interviewed by Phyllis George at the time. And that's the only thing, I mean, you think about climbing a mountaintop and fulfilling your goals, but all of a sudden, these personal things become very, very important to what were my parents thinking at the time, you know what I mean? It's like, I know they were there, they're gotta be proud, and then I remember I had an opportunity to gain over 200 yards, but I took myself out of the game.
Only 200?
Yeah, well,
only 200.
But because I wanted Greg Pruitt to play. Because Greg was one of the people that I grew up really admiring, so I took myself out of the game because I wanted him to score.
Okay. 9 more yards, all he needed. 9 more yards.
Yeah.
Jerry, you played with not one but 2 Hall of Fame quarterbacks. You got Joe Montana, Steve Young. What?
I played with Joe too.
You played with Joe. That's true. What made those 2 guys so great, and to, you know, for them to be on the same team for a while there is incredible. What made them so great?
Do I have to answer that?
We'd like you to.
No. Yeah. With Joe Montana and Steve Young, total professionals, came to work every day, and we just gelled. And Joe was Joe cool. He was so cool on the football field. And as a route runner, you knew that the ball was going to be in the air before I came out of my route. Now with Steve Young, when he first came in, Steve was more of a running quarterback. But then we developed, and we were able to score so many touchdowns. But these guys, they worked every day, guys. You wouldn't believe it. You came to a practice for the San Francisco 49ers, it was just like game situation. And that's the reason why those guys are so great.
And they had you, too. I thought that was going to be your answer, that they had you. Ladies and gentlemen, Jerry Rice, Marcus Allen. Well, thank you guys.
Would you do us the honors of telling the crowd who is up next?
Who Who do we got coming? We'll let you do the other.
Let's make some noise for trains, man! Let's do this! Bring it on! Winning train!
Very romantic song. My pride still feels the sting. You were my everything. Someday I'll find a love like yours. A love like yours. She'll think I'm Superman, not Superman. How could you live on your own? My friends, that's where you all wanna say. All in a mudslide, eating by your life. Got to run over by a crappy purple sign. Help me, I'm
Thank you so much. So during this song, I'd like to jump down there and maybe take a couple of selfies with you guys. If you got your phones ready to go, we can do it. Can you do it?
Well, everybody else is getting out of bed, usually getting in it. I'm not in it to win it. There's 1,000 ways you can skin it. My feet have been on the floor, flat like an idle singer. Remember Winger? I digress. I confess, you are the best thing in my life. Never pray when I hear stories about husband and wife. No happy endings, no happy relief, but you are the greatest thing about me. Here is love, and we decide it's forever. No one else could do it better. Here is love.
Twitter, are you ready? Hold our cell phones up in the air. Just be glad that we made it here alive on a spinning ball in the middle of space. I love you from your toes to your face. It's love. We decided it's forever. No one else could do it better. It's love. And we're doomed to a man that made the rest. It just whenever. And if I'm addicted to loving you, and you're addicted to my love too, we can be them two birds of a feather that fly together. Love, love, got to have something to keep us together. Love, love. Keep moving, I won't ask where you've been, 'cause everybody has a plan. When we roll out, we'll do it all over. Again, when everybody else is getting out of bed, usually getting in it. I'm not in it to win it. I'm in it for you. Here is love, and we're doomed to a man that made the rest. It just whenever. San Francisco, are you with us so far? And the rest, it just whenever. Here is love. We decide that it's forever. No one else could do it better. And if I'm addicted to loving you, and you're addicted to my love too, we can be them two birds of a feather that fly together. Love, love, got to have something to keep us together. Love, love, got to have something to keep us together. Love, love, that's enough for me. Thank you. So this is where it all started for us here in San Francisco with this song. She doesn't own a dress. Her hair is always a mess. If you catch her standing, she won't confess. She's beautiful.
Smokes a pack today, wait, that's me anyway. She doesn't care a thing about that. She thinks I'm beautiful. Meet Virginia.
Is anyone here even old enough to remember this jam?
surprises, wears her heels when she exercises. Ain't that beautiful? Meet Virginia. Well, she wants to be the queen, and she thinks about her scene. Holds her head and she screams. I don't really wanna be queen. Daddy wrestles alligator. Mama walks on Conrad. Brother is a fine mediator for the president. Here she is again on the phone, just like me, still me alone. We like to sit at home, rip on the president. Meet Virginia. Right. Well, she wants to live a life, and she thinks about her life. Holds her head as she screams. I really wanna live this life.
They said it'd be okay if I threw a few train t-shirts out there.
When the moment is not right, her timing is quite unusual. See her confidence is tragic, but her intuition matches the shape of her body unusual. Meet Virginia. I can't wait to meet Virginia, yeah.
you so much.
The same. And though I rode a different road, sang a different song, I love her till my last breath's gone. Like a river made of silver, everyone came running to the sea. I was shot down in cold blood by an angel in blue jeans.
Thank you.
I need a sign, let me know you're here. All of these lines are being crossed over the atmosphere. I need to know things are going to go. 'Cause I feel us drowning in a sea spilled from a car. There is no place
with Allie, you're the sweetest person here.
Usually I talk way more and have incredible stories and jokes, and if you know the band, you know that's a lie. But we only have a few more minutes to play these two songs, so let's all come together for a second. Hey! Should we do that one? Alright, let's check it out. Man, Bay Area folks can sing.
On the other side of the street I knew still a girl that looked like you. I guess that's deja vu, but I thought this can't be true, cause you moved to West LA, New York, San Diego, wherever to get away from me. Oh, but that one night, more than just right, I didn't leave you, cause I was all blue. Oh, I was so overwhelmed, at breakfast scared as hell, cause I'm in the air for you. every mile you drove away. Now here you are again, so let's skip to how you been and get down to the morning friends at last. Oh, but that one night it's still I didn't need you, 'cause I was all through, and I was on well, and Mac is scared as hell, 'cause I really fell for you. Oh, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. This is not a drive-by. Just a shine by, looking for a new guy. Let me play the whole time. When you move me, everything is cool. They don't like it so the way you do it. Oh, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. This is not a drive-by. Believe that when I leave, there's nothing up my sleeve but love for you. And the time to get my head together too. On the other side of the street I knew still a girl that looked like you. I guess that's deja vu, but I thought this can't be true. Oh, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. This is not a drive-by. Just a shy guy looking for a true guy. Let me play the whole time. When you move me, everything is cool. They don't like it so the way you do it. Oh, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. All right, I need your help. Let me hear you say, oh, 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 thank you so much. We'll be back in 2 minutes to play 2 more songs.
All right.
Whoa!
You guys having fun so far? Don't worry, the party has just begun. Train's gonna be
Wow.
back in just a minute.
That was Train.
That was Train. That was pretty cool. Have they played your favorite song yet? We'll see what they have coming up.
Okay.
They're getting ready to go on live television.
Live
on
TV.
NBC, that is national television.
National TV.
So you guys are also going to be on national television.
Everyone's gonna be on national TV. We got Ellie Goulding coming up after that. We've got Fallon on a ukulele after that. It's gonna get crazy. It's gonna get crazy.
No, that's gonna be boring.
Okay, so the next song for all of America. So you already know you're gonna be on live TV. Don't do anything too weird. Don't embarrass us
Actually, you
out
could.
there. Actually, you can do weird stuff.
Yeah,
We don't
let's do
care
weird
about that. So when it's time, we're gonna make some noise for the country here in the Bay Area. Let's practice one time. Ready? Bay Area. Let's hear the Bay Area! That's perfect. Just like that.
Just like that, but louder.